Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to export your chart of accounts from QuickBooks Online to Excel. Exporting to Excel gives you the freedom to analyze, manipulate, and even add notes to your financial data with ease. Let's get started. First, open QuickBooks Online and log in using your credentials. Let everything load properly so you're on the home page. From here, look to the upper right corner and click on the settings icon. It looks like a little gear. This icon opens up many settings and features in QuickBooks. Next, within the settings menu, find the option labeled Chart of Accounts and click it. The chart of accounts is a complete list of all your accounts in QuickBooks, organized by type like assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. This is really the backbone of your bookkeeping, helping you keep track of every financial transaction in one place. Once inside the chart of accounts, click on the Run Report button. This compiles all your accounts into a comprehensive report that's easier to view and understand. Think of it as a snapshot of your entire financial setup. After the report appears on your screen, look for the Export button. Clicking the Export button starts the process of moving your data from QuickBooks into a format you can work with outside the software. The final step is to select Export to Excel. This will download an Excel file directly to your computer. With this file, you can sort through your data, use pivot tables, charts, and Excel's other features to interpret your financial information in a way that works best for you or your team. And that's it. You've successfully exported your chart of accounts from QuickBooks Online to Excel. Following these steps will give you a whole new level of insight and control over your finances. Whether you're preparing for a meeting with your accountant or just refining your financial strategy, this is a tool you'll find incredibly useful. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.